All right, guys, I was riding the Yamaha, lost my rear brakes. Nothing major. The bolt just started to back off, loosened up, and it lost pressure. But I don't have time to fix it right now. I'm gonna go out on this 2-stroke. This is not the 2-stroke that I ride single track on. This is number 2. This is the one that's set up for moto. It's been sitting for 18 months to 2 years. I started it the other day, but I haven't rode it. I'm gonna go ahead, take it out. Like I said, it's been sitting, so I'm just gonna play on it and be gentle with it and listen for any issues. This is the one that last time we rode it, it was detonating under a hard load on a moto track. So I'm gonna try to work on fixing that. Just gonna go out and play on it for a bit. Ride with me. You gotta stay out of the rough stuff, buddy.
I was trying to figure out who you were.
It's Dad.
Daddy?
It's Daddy.
I was trying to figure out who was riding beside
You didn't know that was me?
No. Alright, come on.
Daddy's number 82.
Oh, you still do a couple more laps and we're about to go and call it a day because I'm ready
Why
for
did
some
your
lunch.
arm motor?
The brakes quit working, buddy.
Why?
I don't know. I gotta go back if the bolt came loose on the caliper. I'm just gonna play on this for a little bit and then call it a day too.
Alright, so come get your laps.
Get your laps in now while the weather's good, buddy. Your mom gets hungry, everything comes to a stop.
Yep, I'm hungry now. That's detonation. What do you guys recommend to do with the jetting? I forgot how fun this thing was on a turn track. What have I been doing for the last 2 years? ride vintage class in this thing.